Have you ever seen people in Switzerland or London or in Germany or Holland? Have you ever seen them go to a crime scene and pull up? You are desecrating the evidence. Evidence, no, I was saying. So those boys who did the robbery, the reason why they spilled money into the air is because they wanted to tarnish the evidence. When the people go and collect the money, it will be the fingerprints of the people and not theirs. Mira IGP by said you're not me feeling on one. Hey! Said you're not me feeling no. My Jojo Papa no straight up. Oh yeah, Nejuma, no, we are afraid. This man could drive, go around, dealing with criminals. He made the service to know that somebody was in charge. He is a leader, but political interference. That you be as Jano. Sing, Jano sing.
Abusua Saturday ya etwemu ena Adabraka ena broad day robbery ekoso ewo ho a akonfaremfo bi atwi to AK47 ene car edekokobọ kro no ewo shop bi esiso se eye gold shop na wo moton jewelry ni gold ho nema wo ho na akonfo atwi to edikosi shop isu ekwaji sika pempem akoma enye asem ketwa na wo mudi ka egu ka mu na pa omudi tu omuka edeko na eno na besi na police for ede statement about bonten say omohu atene course no CCTV footage about bonten kwa momunya car numbers no ade na so akonfo na kasa the police for no ensa entimi so omu ye na omo kire say omo etegu monten so omo na omo ye adwumaden pa se be no musa ebeka akonfo na no na prophet Kofi Oduro about bonten ababe kasa say IGP na wonim no enye IGP na say wo hunu no ebisenka IGP dampara na ka wonim no de ka se na pen so pa se kro no be so na 24 hours aso na yentimi nche ne nka enwanwa na so prophet Kofi Oduro kire say eno enye ne nwanwa fi say elman ye wo mu no bibia order from above eno ne ye na order from above nti ama IGP entimi nye na dwuma Ghana edru baby say awia kete akronfo timi twutu ediko obi sto mkwaji ne sika apolisefo ebesi na wo mu ntimi enche wo mu no say na prophet Kofi Oduro ka na nsem na sa na bekwa kote ne meka wo sa ha too much Jesus club ma page na femi adoma ne so sa no upload bi aba on sabeti nyaka afen so prophet Dr. Abednego number enegu ase hono fa na consult no for all your spiritual problems abusuya yanko ni kote se ne prophet Kofi Oduro ka na nsem no esify.
My heart was broken when I saw the Ghana National Fire Service goes to a fire scene and somebody has a phone filming a Facebook live. Are you okay? Come on! You don't even have respect for the dead. Which of you wants your father's dead body to be thrown out on the internet? Have you ever seen people in Switzerland or London or in Germany or Holland? Have you ever seen them go to a crime scene and pull up? You are desecrating the evidence. Evidence, no, I was saying. So those boys who did the robbery, the reason why they spilled money into the air is because they wanted to tarnish the evidence. When the people go and collect the money, it will be the fingerprints of the people and not theirs. Criminals are not fools. Criminals are not fools. Question, where did they get AK-47s? How do they own AK-47? Kwasiafu amonwene moma se tuo de yakwa akobobi emwa atam tuo obi nkoye adwuma nkonya ska. Then you people go get guns and odi ababeji na kwasi life no ababeji na Ghana the omaya ye dwen. Nobody can pull an AK-47 and not be arrested in the next 24 hours. Ye nyunintia enyemen na Mira IGP by said you're not me feeling on one. Hey! Said you're not me feeling no. My Jojo Papa no straight up. Oh yeah, Nejuma, no, we are afraid. This man could drive, go around, dealing with criminals. He made the service to know that somebody was in charge. Oh, charge office and Ajuabe say, Dr. Dampari Bawura. What have we done to merit this kind of visit? And the man was a night worker. On what to me Mount Barry and was stopping Crawford. Ube Biadiano is the Inspector General of Ghana's police. I think this man brought professional policing. Look at the way he has turned the, police headquarters. Go to the police training school and go and see the work this guy. He is a leader. But political interference. Sing. Jano sing. Mumma Jumani had been too much. Agana a junior and Kenya president Nepal and IGP police council and there was one more appointee on my own IGP. Ujimi ya chow. Ujimi ubed them. Because America, I met a very interesting story. A judge who has been appointed with a personal bodyguard, a police officer, or a bodyguard, a judge, wherever the judge goes. And then one day, the officer came, said, "Ma'am, is there any assignment today?" Said, "George, there is no assignment. And so you can go home." Said, "Well, I can't go home. I still must be on duty, so it will be a patrol." So I'm a many person call party, but on person the police in the car. So the woman left for the party, drove herself to the party. Judge. Obano, police no Jinano was George, his bodyguard. And I said, "Ma'am, can you step out of the vehicle for a moment?" I said, "George, it's me. Why are you behaving like that?" I said, "Ma'am, you know I'm doing my job. Can you step out of the vehicle for one moment?" First thing, alcohol test. Alcohol in her blood was 100 times the prescribed dose. And then called for backup. Another police car. I said, "Ma'am, sit in this police car." I said, "George, I am the judge, you bodyguard." He said, "Ma'am, you know I'm doing my job." Near the Amco Peguma Menensa near the NATO police vehicle. Na George na huriate na maame na car mu na wa drive a car na kusi ni fee no the car it was a Saturday Sunday or demo Monday ye the maame ne ba court no a oye judge no and another judge did na some I didn't go to 3 months with community service. Community service no was to come and prapra court no a oye judge no Ghana tia now we are ready to Judge Bena, you bet me this as him where no. Wagana ha. Kawu police officer and you bet to watch you bet to coat of mams and not to watch any avrata the NFL. Mama Juma ye do. When this man took office, he was doing the work of God. He loved his country, he loves his work. And as an inspector general of police, he was doing his job. Interference in huno. We are saying, hey. Data regional minister Bakono, great guy. Oh yes, you say back off. More person more pay ye but mom pay ye at the same time. You have eaten your cake and you still want it. It doesn't work that way. Help us to resist oppressors' rule with all our will and might forevermore. About to I able to adventure. Kotoaba, Kofi, Koda, Anase Kutie radio, Kohel TV. I have funya say, Yabuboya, the Oberi no, Wari, the Obe winning, were winning, now I could debrunya. Assembia the Nasamko. 7 January near the Aduabu near the Nessiso. But I'm telling you, as simple as I've said it, we will make it very complicated. Very complicated. Look, I say, will be planet. When you bet me a print bibi a be shim. When you bet me a ye bibi obi so plan no. Yeah, be so plan no. I should be able to stand here as the voice of the church and the voice of God and declare to you, say, all 13 people on the list, 12 will lose and 1 will win. Munya santi asieno ansana, because it's not easy to lose. Lose wohi enye easy. Especially with the kind of monies you people are blowing. Who lose who abesu? They catch who lose who abesu pa. To me prepare for the lose.
Intabusia say na prophet Kofi Oduro training nsɛm is fine. May you comment e video yi ase na ha to magic subscribe my page we fa do maneka ho sa no upload bi aba on first person on sabeti aka all the social media handles okɔ hɔ a e too magic e ho so e ya like na share e me macra